Hello everyone. In this video we have a polynomial equation which is of ninth order. It is given that a power 9 plus a power 6 is equal to 36. We have to find the value of a. Let's move toward the solution. If you are new on my channel, then please subscribe and give a thumbs up. The solution is, we can write it as a power 9 can be written as a power 3 whole power 3 plus a power 3 square, that is equal to 36. And now we let u is equal to a power 3. Then we have u cube plus u square, and if we take 36 on the left minus 36, this is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. First we substitute some random values of u to find the root, and if we table it here, let u and then u cube plus u square minus 36. If we take u is equal to 0, then it is equal to minus 36. If we take u is equal to 1, then it is equal to minus 34. If we take u is equal to 2, then it is equal to minus 24. And if we take u is equal to 3, then it is equal to 0. It means 3 is the root of this equation. So now we factorize this equation. In u, we can write it as u cube minus 3u square plus 4u square. U square can be written as 3u square plus 4u square, and there is no u, so I am written it minus 12u plus 12u and minus 36, that is equal to 0. Taking u square common from the first two terms, we will get u minus 3. Taking 4u common plus 4u common from the second two terms, these terms, we will get 4u into u minus 3. And then taking 12 common, we will get u minus 3, that is equal to 0. Taking u minus 3 common, we will get u square plus 4u plus 12, that is equal to 0. And from here, one root is u minus 3 is equal to 0, or u square plus 4u plus 12 is equal to 0. And from here u is equal to 3. And here we are going to use the quadratic formula, which gives u is equal to minus b is 4, so minus 4 plus minus b square means 4 square minus 4a into c square root over 2 times a is 1. So if we deal with this one, this is equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 48 under root over 2a. So this from here we can see that this is a negative quantity. 16 minus 48 is a negative quantity. It means for these values of u will be complex, and thus we ignore this. We ignore this. We only deal with u is equal to 3. So since we have substituted u is equal to a cube, so a u is equal to 3 means a cube is equal to 3, and from here we can write a is equal to 3 power 1 by 3, which can be written as third root of the a, which is the required answer. Thank you for watching.